Ka Sonam Raghuvanshi kala Phla ke jingdon benta ban iasylla Henry kala kynnoh ela ujong ubai uraj khushwaha kumno iasylla beningkong ne mastermind halor kani ke jingsha pyniap ukurim jongka uraja Raghuvanshi ha ke jingwan shangkai sung bhasha sora Hoot ka Sonam kala Phla bakadon benta ha ke jing iasylla Henry ke jingkeli ke bayadei bat manu bayasylla ningkong halor kani ke kampentrim ka dei ka banha ban pensisha namar ka Sonam kala kynnoh ya uraj kadba uraj ula kynnoh ya ka Sonam ong udig Eastern Range u Davis and Armarak haka khat artrik jeliu habaya sam ya ki jingtim halor ka jingtok ket ka badang ya shakmat persha ya ka Sonam uraj bat ki laingut ki weipat ki runar ki bakenthop ya u Akash Rajput Vishal Singh Chauhan bat u Anand Kurmi da ka kenhun Special Investigation Team SIT hadian ba ka ying kashari kala ai bor prasngi ban penlong ya ka jing toket kat ba ka jing penpau ka jong u ka Sonam bat uraj ki dei ki bala syak kynnoh don kti hakmat namar ka jing kynnoh ba ki don ya ka jing ya dei jing iet ka bari hadu mentahi kidang dei ki ba syak suba don kti hakmat Watla kata manu badai kynnoh iasylla beningkong manu ban sedang ya keni ka kam iasylla kadang don kam ya ka ban pedang penti kena menta ulaong la ka Sonam kala kular ban siu arpulak tingka sya kini ki laingut kinong pyniap briu u marak ulaong kani kadang don hapedeng ke jing toket bat kani kadai ke jing keli ka bangila keli ya ki basyak kynnoh don kti ya mentahi kumta ya mentahi ngampat la ban ong halor kani ka benta la ka Sonam kala siu teng ya kenu ka pisa Ulaong ya kani ngindang penti kena lingba ke jing toket bat haba pensyong nong rim lingba ke jing batai jongki ngin sala ban pensisha ya ka ka bak ka ong bat hadian kani ngin sala ban ong katno lani ha kanu ka rukom la penya ya ka jing siu pisa Nalor kata upentip ru baki pulit ke jela kin pan ya ke jing arab na ki pulit ke Guwahati bat na ki weipat ki jela lada ki don kam ya ki jing arab jongki Ulaong ru babaruk ki beriu ki badon keti halor kene ke jing syak pyniap jong uraja kila syakem bat lada ki dang don syuk ki badon keti on salap lingba ke jing toket ke badang beteng ula benram ha ka jing toket lalap baki don lai teli ki skuti balawai na shilong ka skuti bala pendon kam da ka Sonam bat uraja la penyeng hasok rarim bat ya ka bala yok ban kuruk no da ki pulit menta ki pulit ki dang toket ha ka bayadei bat kini ki arteli ki weipat ki skuti bala pendon kam da kini ki nong pyniap briu Hadian balale ya ka kampenya kumbai shiteng linti kala lej lang no bat kini ki laingut ki runar hadu mau kedong bat nang ne layo I kumba kini ki runar ki layak syakmat kat ba ka Sonam kala lej sya Guwahati bat hadian sya indoor ong umarang Nalor ketau ne uhe pulit ulaya thuru baha ka jing token ka Sonam kala kentaj ba kala pom ya uraja da kawan bat na ka jing ya thu jong ki ba syak keno layo I badai kini ki laingut ki ba pyniap ya uraja ha ka arplai terik ujemang baladep ya ke bakila pentikna bakila le ya kene hawai saudong ka jaka ha ke balalap ya ke met ya bala kemput jong uraja ha ke arteri ujeliu ula pentikna ru baka Sonam kalaya rap ya kini kinong penyam ban ra ya ke met jong uraja bat ban lej bread syakatai keriat ke bejeliu hawai saudong hoot ke jing Phla jong kini ki basyak keno kinong penyap ka penpau baka Sonam ru kalaya rap ban bread ya ke met jong uraja hadian bala penyap ya kalaya rap ban ra ya ke met bat ban bread syakatai ke jakarian haba keli udig upentip syuk-syuk babarok kini ki basyak keno don keti on saya lam syasok ra ban penuan dur biang ya ke kampentrim ka bakila le hadian bala pendep ya ke jing tokin la kini ki basyak keno kila lej suat syua ya ke wei saudong ha syua bakin le ya kini ke kampeniam marak ulaong baya mentahi ki basyak keno kila kentaj Henry ngimpat la ban batai namar kini kidang don hapdeng ke jing tokin halor ke weipat ke jing keli laki pulit kin pan jingmut neem na ke ying kashari ban pendon kam ya ki lying detector ne ki korban yok kiam ya ki jing batai ki basyuthong udig ulaong ha ke beningkong bakila ai ya ki jing batai ngi haban pensisha ya kata ladaki ong bakila le ya kene ladangi le syakatai ke jaka ngi haban le pensishahi dalade ya kene ke jing batai ke jongki kaya hab neem bat ya kene ngin haban le hi dalade ban pensisha ya ki jing ya thu ke jongki
Yes, she has confessed that she is a part of the conspiracy. But the question about as to who is the mastermind, that needs to be established because she is blaming Raj, whereas Raj is blaming or putting the blame on Sonam. Yes, we will take them to Sora after we have completed our interrogation, because during the interrogation we need to establish the facts and the inconsistencies in the statements of different accused persons that will have to be ironed out. And once there is clarity in the statements of all the accused persons, then we will be taking them to different places for recreation of the crime scene. Taking that fact through interrogation, and we will be also, based on their statements, we will be verifying whatever she says, and then we will be able to say how much or what kind of transaction have taken place. As of now, the accused persons have denied, but that cannot be ruled out, and it is a matter of further investigation. See, the SIT members are there, and the members of the SIT, as they are interrogating these accused persons.
Okay, since can be elements of lying, not telling the truth, will you be seeking the court for lie detectors and other scientific norms of investigations?
See, first of all, when they give their statements, we have to verify the veracity of their statements. Like if they say that, okay, we have done this, or we have gone to that place, X, Y, Z place, or and all that, we will actually have to physically go and verify whether their statement matches with the facts or not. So that we will have to actually physically go and investigate and verify their statements as to their alibis. As of now, she has denied, and from the statements of the accused person, it appears that it was the hired contract killers who actually killed Raja. Yes, the statement of the accused persons, that is the contract killers, suggests that that Sonam helped in throwing the body after Raja was killed. She helped in lifting the body and throwing to the gorge.
All these activities were done in Saudong or any other place?
According to the statements, it was done in Saudong. It is one of the red lights in a sense that, see, there were certain inconsistencies in the facts that we were before the police at that point of time. Like for instance, we had recovered the body, we had recovered the murder weapon, but the girl was missing. Then there was a case of this Mangal Sutra. There were also cases like, for instance, a new couple had come to Sora for honeymoon, and there was nothing posted on the social media, no photographs taken of the couple and all that. So these were the red flags that actually made the police investigate the angle of probably an inside job. Yes, this is prima facie, it appears so, but like I said, we will be able to establish all that and confirm all that only after we complete the interrogation. As far as we know, they carried the suitcase. The rider put it in front, in the front side and between his legs, and that was how they carried the suitcase. Yes, it appears halfway she went along with this other accused persons, halfway up till Mokadok, and from Mokadok, it appears she went. The other accused persons is 3 contact killers. They went ahead, and Sonam from there proceeded to Guwahati, and then thereafter to Indore. Yes, it must be either the contract killers or Sonam herself, because at that point in time there were 3 scooties, and it appears they were together at that point of time. That scooty was abandoned at Sora Rim with the key on, with the key of the scooty. And thereafter, Sonam got into one of the scooties along with the contract killers. That is under investigation at this stage, so I will not be able to reveal all that. So it's a matter of investigation, so I will not be able to. No, it's there.
In which part of Sri Lanka they hired a scooty?
So all that details I will not be able to share at this point in time. Scooty has been hired from Shillong, so we are also confirming about when they hired, where they went, and all that, and all the routes also. We are also confirming from the source. See, as far as our information goes, they probably reach Shillong around the same time with Sonam and Raja. See, we have already given in our earlier statements also that Sonam and Raj, they are the prime suspects, okay, and the prime accused. So we stand by that. As of now, they continue to be the prime accused. However, who is the actual mastermind who actually started this plot, that needs to be that needs to be established at this stage. See, that is why first we are now recording the statements of these accused persons separately, individually. At a later date, now we will confront them with the other accused persons, and the contradictory statements will be placed before both the accused at the same time. And then we will see that so-and-so is saying this, so-and-so is saying this. What actually is the truth? That we will be placing before the accused persons, and we will establish the truth based on by confronting each other, the accused persons. We are seeking assistance from Guwahati police also, and all other state police, wherever the assistance is required, we will be seeking assistance and help from those police forces as well.